Now let us move toward the fifth lecture in this lecture series on CT scan of thorax at different vertebral level. In this lecture, we are going to see the CT scan of thorax at T5 or T6 vertebral level. Two disclaimers in this lecture. The first one is that as we are moving downwards, we are getting the structures more complicated because from anything as the times pass or as the distance passes, it gets more difficult and complicated. And second thing is that whatever levels I am mentioning, those are the probable levels. Those are not specific levels. So please consider that. Now let us move towards the scan. Again in the scan, I have removed all of the bones except vertebrae and the sternum and all of the musculature possible. So here we are left with the lungs and the contents of mediastinum. Before starting to read the scan, you need to know the left and the right side. So what's the rule? Your right side is scan's left side and your left side is the scan's right side. Right. Now here we have a black structures and those are lungs. Because they are filled with air, those are hypodense and that appears black. Now most recognizable structure till now we have seen is vertebra. I have again mentioned in front of vertebra we have azygous vein. Okay, this is our descending aorta, right? This is our root of aorta, right? Now this is our left pulmonary artery. And above this principal bronchus, this is our principal bronchus. Okay, and this is our left superior pulmonary vein. Now this principal bronchus is divided into two. The first one is left upper lobe bronchus and this one is the left lower lobe bronchus. Okay, so are you able to appreciate this big structure? And this is it's on the right, it is the right side structure, but still I am labeling it here. We have right pulmonary artery. Okay, so this one is our superior vena cava and this one is our right superior pulmonary vein. Okay, and are you able to appreciate this recess that is called as a zygophrenic recess? Okay, and this one is our bronchus intermedius. So here we are done with reading the CT scan at T5-T6 level. The next lecture will be on CT scan at T7-T8 level. If you are still new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I have all orthopedic series, lecture series and the CT scan of thorax at different vertebral level. If you like this lecture, please hit that like button and comment down in the comment section below whatever you feel about my lecture. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.